Welcome to A Topper's Villa.
The dual system of governance in Bengal was enforced by option A. Warren Hastings, option B. William Bentinck, option C. Robert Clive, and option D. Lord Curzon.
Dual system of governance means दोहरी सरकार। इस स्कीम में हुआ ये था कि जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बंगाल था उसको दो बॉडीज के द्वारा शासित किया जाएगा, एक कंपनी के द्वारा और एक नवाब्स के द्वारा। तो अब कंपनी ने दो राइट्स एक्वायर किए हुए थे, तो एक पुलिस एंड जुडिशियल राइट्स जिसको निजामत बोलते थे, और एक रेवेन्यू राइट्स जिसको दीवानी बोलते थे। तो इसे इनैक्ट किया गया था 1765 में बाय साइनिंग अ ट्रीटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद विद द मुगल एम्परर शाह आलम II। और ये ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने निजामत राइट को बंगाल के नवाब से एक्वायर किया था और दीवानी राइट्स को ब्रिटिश कंपनी ने मुगल से एक्वायर किया था। तो इस डुअल सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस के बाद जो हमारे नवाब थे उनके पास बस ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बचा था कि वो पीस एंड ऑर्डर को मेंटेन कर सके। तो पीस एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेनेंस एकमात्र रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बच गया हमारे नवाब्स का। तो ये नवाब्स बस एक मेयर पपेट बन के रह गए हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए। डेप्यूटी सूबेदार नियुक्त किए जाते थे इस निजामत के लिए, और दीवानी के लिए आप दो इंपॉर्टेंट नेम्स हैं जैसे डेप्यूटी दीवान चुने जाते थे। एक थे हमारे मोहम्मद रजा खान, इन्हें बंगाल वाले एरिया के लिए डेप्यूटी दीवान चुना गया था, और एक है हमारे राजा सिताब रोय, इन्हें बिहार वाले एरिया के लिए चुना गया था। तो इस डुअल सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस को हमारे वॉरेन हेस्टिंग्स जो कि फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल थे, उन्होंने इसे अबॉलिश किया था 1772 में। ओके, so this was the dual system of governance which was in Bengal. It was enforced by Robert Clive.
This dual system was enforced by option C. Robert Clive. Second question, who among the following participated in the Parliament of Religions held at Chicago in 1893? Options है option A. दयानंद सरस्वती, option B. स्वामी विवेकानंद, option C. महात्मा गांधी, and option D. राजा राम मोहन राय.
So the Parliament of Religions which was held at Chicago in 1893. So as a fact we can know that it was held at Permanent Memorial Art Palace. Now it is known as Art Institute of Chicago. एंड ये जब पार्लियामेंट ऑफ रिलीजन्स ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था उस समय प्रेसिडेंट बने थे इस इवेंट के जॉन हेनरी बैरोज। जॉन हेनरी बैरोज जिनको नियुक्त किया गया था किनके द्वारा? इनको अपॉइंट किया था चार्ल्स बॉनी ने। सो इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर स्वामी विवेकानंद, जो कि इस इवेंट को अटेंड किए थे।
इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, स्वामी विवेकानंदा. Swami Vivekananda was also associated with Ramakrishna Mission, and this is very important. Third question है, who established Swaraj Party in 1923?
नाउ स्वराज पार्टी, हु एस्टैब्लिश्ड स्वराज पार्टी? तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट के फेलियर के बाद प्रो चेंजर्स एंड नो चेंजर्स का एक ग्रुप बन चुका था कांग्रेस में। तो उन्हीं प्रो चेंजर्स ने आगे चल के एक स्वराज पार्टी की स्थापना की थी। तो इस स्वराज पार्टी के प्रेसिडेंट रहे थे देशबंधु चित्तरंजन दास, and his secretary general was Motilal Nehru. So this Swaraj Party was formed at Allahabad, and it was formed by pro-changers. These pro-changers were C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. So option C is depicting these answers: C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. And later this Swaraj Party fought elections and established as Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. So 1923 में लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में इस पार्टी ने 102 में से 42 सीट्स एक्वायर करी थी, एंड ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 years के लिए काम किया था इस पार्टी ने।
इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, C.R. दास एंड मोतीलाल नेहरू. Fourth question, Who wrote the famous play Neel Darpan, in which operation of indigo farmers is displayed? इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी दीनबंधु मित्र. This play Neel Darpan, also called as the Mirror of Indigo, it depicts the farmers' precarious situation during British rule. It showed how farmers were coerced into planting indigo without adequate payment. The famous Battle of Bandivas in 1760 was fought by British against whom? Here, Battle of Bandivas. This battle was held in 1760. This right answer is the French. This Bandivas battle was associated with Third Carnatic War, which was held in between 1756 to 1763, and the treaty associated with it is Treaty of Paris, that was in 1763. Hence, right answer is the French. Which of the following acts introduced separate electorate system in India? Option A, Regulating Act 1773, option B, the Charter Act 1833, and option C, the Pitt's India Act 1784, and option D, the Indian Councils Act 1909. The right answer is option D, the Indian Councils Act 1909. This act, also known as Morley-Minto reforms. Under this act, Muslim members were to be elected only by Muslim voters. Seventh question, in which of the following colleges Gandhiji has studied? Option A, Samal Das College, Bhavnagar. Option B, Dharmendra Singh Ji College, Rajkot. Option C, Gujarat College, Ahmedabad. Option D, Bahuddin College, Junagadh. Here right answer is option A, Samal Das College, Bhavnagar. Eighth question, which of the following person had participated actively in the revolt of 1857? Option A, Nana Sahib. Option B, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Option C, Maulvi Ahmadullah. Option D, Begum Jinnat Mahal. And option E, none of these or more than one of these. The right answer is option E.
If we will be having a look upon the center of revolts and leader, this is like in Delhi, the leader was Bahadur Shah II Jafar and General Bakht Khan. In Kanpur, Nana Sahib and Tantia Top. In Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal and Warjis Qadir. In Bareilly, Khan Bahadur Khan. In Bihar, Kunwar Singh and his brother was Amar Singh also. And in Faizabad, Maulvi Ahmadullah. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. In Baghpat, Shahmal. And in Allahabad, Liaquat Ali. These were some prominent names in the revolt of 1857.
Ninth question, about which act Jawaharlal Nehru had said, we were provided with a car with all brakes and no engine. Right answer is option D, Act of 1935.
So this Act of 1935, that is Government of India Act 1935, these introduced a federal form of government at the center. Okay. So finally, diarchy was abolished, and also the states were given some provincial autonomy. And with this act, a right to vote was also extended for some more people, and Burma was made part of India. So these were some facts related to Act of 1935.
Question 10. For how many days did Dandi March last?
Now we know about Dandi March that it was led by Gandhiji from his Sabarmati Ashram, and that is also known as Satyagraha Ashram. Okay, and it started from March 12 and it was carried up to 5 April. So it was a total of 24 days and 240 miles were covered in total. So Gandhiji was also accompanied by Sarojini Naidu in this Dandi March. And Gandhiji on 6th of April in 1930, he broke the salt law and stated his intention that there is no need of private trader to manufacture the salt. So in addition, Chaukidari tax was also opposed by the people of Bihar, and at the Madras coast, this salt march was led by C. Rajgopalachari, Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. But later, Gandhiji was arrested on 5 May 1930.
Right answer is option C, 24 days.
And this Dandi march included a total distance of 240 miles, in which Gandhiji was accompanied by 78 followers. Okay, so now next question.
11th, who is the author of the popular song सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? Options are सूर्य सेन, option B चंद्रशेखर आजाद, option C सरदार भगत सिंह, option D राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, and option E none of these or more than one of these. Right answer is option E.
Now सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. This was authored by Bismil Azimabadi. So Bismil Azimabadi is not in the option. So option E, none of these will be the correct answer. We need not confuse with this option, Ram Prasad Bismil. Ram Prasad Bismil was the first person to use this slogan, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. So this Ram Prasad Bismil was co-founder of HRA, Hindustan Republican Association. So in this question, the answer would have been Bismil Azimabadi. Ram Prasad Bismil has just given the slogan, not the author. So he was not the author, and the author was Bismil Azimabadi. That is not in the option. So option E, none of these will be the correct answer.
Which movement was started as a reaction to the partition of Bengal? Option A non-cooperation movement, option B civil disobedience movement, option C Swadeshi movement, option D Purn Swaraj movement, and option E none of these or more than one of these.
Now, as a reaction to the partition of Bengal, that partition of Bengal which was held in 1905 by Curzon. इसके बाद स्वदेशी मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया गया था, जिसको कि स्टार्ट किया था लाल बालपाल एंड अरविंदो घोष ने. लाल मीन्स लाला लाजपत राय, बाल मीन्स बाल गंगाधर तिलक, एंड पाल मीन्स बिपिन चंद्रा पाल. So the correct answer for this question is Swadeshi movement.
Who among the following advocates had appeared for the INA trials at Delhi in 1945 to 1946? Right answer is option B, Bhulabhai Desai. 14th question, where did Madam Kama unfurl India's tricolor flag of freedom? Right answer is option C, Stuttgart. 15th question, which day was celebrated as Purn Swaraj Day by the Indian National Congress INC? Options are 26 January 1930, option B 15 August 1947, option C 30 January 1948, and option D 31 December 1950.
Purn Swaraj resolution was passed in 1929 Lahore session of Congress.
Right answer is option A, 26 January 1930. Indian National Congress on 19 December 1929 passed the historic Purn Swaraj resolution at its Lahore session, and a public declaration was made on 26 January 1930. Which movement started after the partition of Bengal? Option A civil disobedience movement, option B Swadeshi movement, option C quit India movement, option D non-cooperation movement, and option E none of these or more than one of these. Right answer is option B Swadeshi movement.
And this Chittaranjan Das, he was titled Deshbandhu. He was the president of Swaraj Party.
Eighteenth question. Who used Hooghly as a base for piracy in the Bay of Bengal? Option A, the Dutch. Option B, the French. Option C, the Portuguese. And option D, the British. And option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option C, Portuguese. Portuguese merchants sailed from the Bay of Bengal to Hooghly to evade the customs duties and practice piracy in the region. 19th question. Under whose leadership was suppression of thugs achieved? Option A, Lord Clive. Option B, Captain Sleeman. Option C, Lord Minto. Option D, Alexander Burns. And option E, none of these or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option B, Captain Sleeman. Major General Sir William Henry Sleeman was a British soldier and administrator in British India. He was best known for his work during the 1830s in suppressing the organized criminal gangs known as thugs. The viceroy who followed aggressive policy towards Afghanistan was option A, Lord Mayo, option B, Captain Lytton, option C, Lord Dufferin, option D, Lord Canning, and option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option B, Captain Lytton. Anglo-Afghan War was the result of the policy of Lord Lytton in 1878. He was criticized for this policy towards the Afghanistan. Next question. In 1930, from where Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement? Option A, Wardha. Option B, Dandi. Option C, Sevagram. Option D, Sabarmati. And option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option B, Dandi. British had the monopoly over salt manufacturing and selling. Namak Satyagraha was in protest against the steep tax the British levied on salt. It was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India to produce salt from seawater. As it had been practiced by Indian people, the British officials deemed such production illegal and forced the people to buy it at expensive rates. It was the start of the civil disobedience movement in 1930, which commenced as Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law on the coastal town of Dandi on Arabian Sea on 5 April. Dandi March is also known as Namak Satyagraha. Next question. The Sharabandi campaign of 1922 was led by option A, Chittaranjan Das, option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option C, Rajendra Prasad, option D, Lala Lajpat Rai, and option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sharabandi means no tax campaign. No tax campaign of 1922 was led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In this campaign, the peasants decided not to pay the taxes. 23 question. Who published journal Free Hindustan in America? Option A, Ramnath Puri. Option B, G.D. Kumar. Option C, Lala Hardayal. Option D, Tarak Nath Das. Option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option D, Tarak Nath Das. Next question. Satya Sodhak Samaj was founded by option A, Dayanand Saraswati, option B, Jyotiba Phule, option C, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, option D, Gandhiji, and option E, none of these or more than one of these.
This Satya Sodhak Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule in 1873 at Pune.
Its right answer is Jyotiba Phule. Option B is the right answer. Jyotiba Phule was an activist, thinker, social reformer, writer, philosopher, theologist, scholar, editor, and revolutionary from the Maharashtra. He founded the Satya Sodhak Samaj in 1873 in Maharashtra. 25th question. Who is called the Napoleon of ancient history? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Pushyamitra. Option C, Kanishk. Option D, Samudragupta. And option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option D, Samudragupta.
Napoleon of ancient India. Oh, so this question is from the ancient history. The Napoleon of ancient India was Samudragupta. He was the son of Chandragupta I. And Napoleon of India, he was termed so by A.V. Smith. So A.V. Smith was an author. He wrote a book, Early History of India. So Early History of India book was written by A.V. Smith. And in this book, he mentioned Samudragupta as Napoleon of ancient India.
Who was the founder of Karnataka dynasty? Option A, Nanyadev. Option B, Narasimhadev. Option C, Vijayadev. Option D, Haridev. And option E, none of these or more than one of the above. Its right answer is Nanyadev. Next question. Who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? Option A, Malik Ibrahim. Option B, Iltutmish. Option C, Bakhtiyar Khilji. Option D, Ali Mardan Khilji. Option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is Bakhtiyar Khilji. Now, 28th question. The author of Rajniti Ratnakar is option A, Chandeswar. Option B, Vidyapati. Option C, Jyotireswara. Option D, Hari Brahamdev. And option E, none of these or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option A, Chandeswar. 29th question. The author of Udvant Prakash is Mauli Kavi. Option B, Bodhraj. Option C, Parmala. Option D, Vidyapati. And option E, none of these or more than one of these. Its right answer is option A, Mauli Kavi. Next question. Who was the last king of Karnataka dynasty? Option A, Hari Simha. Option B, Ram Simha. Option C, Mati Simha. Option D, Shyam Simha. Option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option A, Hari Simha. 31 question. Which round table conference held in 1932? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, fourth. Or option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option C, third round table conference. 32 question. Who is associated with Abhinav Bharat? Option A, V.D. Savarkar. Option B, C.R. Das. Option C, V.G. Tilak. And option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Its right answer is option A, V.D. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar is the right answer. 33 question. The Montague-Chelmsford Report formed on the basis of option A, the Indian Independence Act 1947. Option B, the Indian Council Act 1909. Option C, the Government of India Act 1919. Option D, Government of India Act 1935. Option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option C, the Government of India Act 1919. 34 question. The Madras Mahajan Sabha was established in the year option A 1880, option B 1881, option C 1882, and option D 1883, and option E none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option D 1883. 35th question. Who began the Faraji movement? Options are option A, Haji Sariyatullah, option B, Sayyid Ahmad, option C, Salimullah, option D, M.A. Jinnah, and option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is A, Haji Sariyatullah. 36th question. Which of the following is not a nationalist newspaper? Options are option A, The Hindu, option B, The Bengali, option C, Maratha, option D, The Times of India, and option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is option D, the Times of India. From the option given below, find the correct combination of the names of the editors of the nationalist newspaper like the Hindu, Kesari, Bengali, Hindustani and Sudharak. इस फाइव ऑप्शन में हम ये देखेंगे कि द हिंदू, केसरी, बंगाली, हिंदुस्तानी एंड सुधारक, ये जो 5 नेशनल न्यूज़पेपर हैं, ये पांचों न्यूज़पेपर के एडिटर कौन है? तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. इट मीन्स editor of the Hindu is G. Subramanya Iyer, and the editor of Kesari is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and editor of Bengali is Surendranath Banerjee, and editor of Hindustani is the Ganga Prasad Verma, and editor of Sudharak is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 38th question, Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in the context of which Gandhian Satyagraha? Option A, Swadeshi Satyagraha. Option B, Rowlatt Satyagraha. Option C, Bardoli Satyagraha. Option D, individual Satyagraha. And option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option B, Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act. 39. The Moplah Rebellion of 1921 broke out in which state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Punjab, option D, Bengal, and option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option B, Kerala. 40th question, who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? Option A, Miss Annie Besant. Option B, Snehlata Vedkar. Option C, Sarojini Naidu, and option D, Madam Bhikaji Rustam Kama, and option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Its right answer is option D, Madam Bhikaji Rustam Kama. 41 question, name the first woman president of Indian National Congress. Option A, Sarojini Naidu. Option B, Pandit Ramabai. Option C, Aruna Asif Ali, and option D, Annie Besant. Its right answer is Annie Besant. 42. Which year Hindustan Republican Association founded? Option A, 1920. Option B, 1924. Option C, 1928. And option D, 1930. Its right answer is option B, 1924. Next question, who had withdrawn Vernacular Press of Act of 1878? Option A, Lord Ripon. Option B, Lord Lytton. Option C, Lord Curzon. And option D, Lord Minto. Its right answer is option A, Lord Ripon. 44 question, what was the aim of Ika movement of Awadh? Option A, no tax to government, no protect the rights of zamindars, to end the satyagraha, to pay tax regular in ravis and kharifs to the government. Options are no tax to the government. 45th question, INA was a brainchild of whom and who founded it? Its right answer is option B, Dr. Mohan Singh. 46th question, who was the writer of Indian Unrest? Options A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option B, Annie Besant. Option C, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option D, Valentina Serol.
So this Indian Unrest, this book was written by Valentine Serol, and Valentine Serol called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian Unrest. So Valentine Serol ने बाल गंगाधर तिलक को फादर ऑफ इंडियन अनरेस्ट बोला था. इन बाल गंगाधर तिलक को लोकमान्य की उपाधि भी मिली थी.
Right answer is option D, Valentine Serol. 47th question, who was associated with Ramoshi peasant movement? Options A are Justice Ranade. Option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option C, Vasudev Balwant Phakre. Option D, Jyotiba Phule. Its right answer is option C, Vasudev Balwant. 48th question, which Maharashtrian reformer was known as Lokitwadi? Option A, M.G. Ranade. Option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option C, Pandit Ramabai. And option D, Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Its right answer is option D, Gopal Hari Deshmukh. 49th question, who founded Khudai Khidmatgar? Option A, Abul Kalam Azad. Option B, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Option C, Inayatullah Masiri. Option D, Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Its right answer is option B, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 50th question, in which town 1920s Khilafat Committee conference was held, which requested Gandhiji to lead non-cooperation movement? Option A, Lucknow. Option B, Lahore. Option C, Allahabad. And option D, Karachi. Its right answer is option C, Allahabad. Who wrote book Devdas? Option A, Sarat Chandra Chatterjee. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Varindra Ghosh. And option D, Swami Vivekanand. Its right answer is option A, Sarat Chandra Chatterjee. These all are very important questions. You should do practice. Thank you.